Well, I'm me, Alavas, news anchor from True Lies Media. Here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. COVID-19 recovery rate higher than national average of 63.2%. Center, New Delhi. 19 states and union territories have a COVID-19 recovery rate higher than the national average of 63.2%. The center said on Monday, asserting the coordinated steps taken by it along with state governments have contributed to a gradual surge in the recovery of patients. It also said that there are 30 states and union territories UTS that have a fertility rate lower than the national average of 2.64%. The norms and standards for home isolation care along with the use of oximeters have also helped to keep a check on asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic patients without burdening the hospital infrastructures, the Union Health Ministry said in a statement. The series of proactive, preemptive and coordinated steps taken by the centre and the state government for containment and prevention of COVID-19 has contributed to a gradual surge of COVID-19 recovery, the ministry said. Aggressive testing coupled with timely diagnosis has led to identifying COVID-affected patients before they progress into an advanced stage of the disease, it said. Effective implementation of containment zones and surveillance activities ensured that the rate of infection stays under the control, the ministry said. A graded policy and holistic approach has led to the recovery of 18,850 people in the last 24 hours, taking the total cumulative number of recovered cases among COVID-19 patients to 5,53,470, it said. The recovery rate has further improved to 63.2%, the ministry said, adding the 19 states and the UTS have a recovery rate higher than the national average. The states and the UTS have a recovery rate higher than the national average, including Ladakh 85.45%, Delhi 79.98%, Uttarakhand 78.77%, Chhattisgarh 77.68%, Himachal Pradesh 79.59%, Haryana 75.25%, Chandigarh 74.6%, Rajasthan 74.22%, Madhya Pradesh 73.3% and Gujarat 69.73%, Tripura 69.18%, Bihar 69.9%, Punjab 68.94%, Odisha 66.69%, Mizoram 64.94%, Assam 64.87%, Telangana 64.84%, Tamil Nadu 64.66% and Uttar Pradesh 63.97% also have a recovery rate higher than the national average. There are 3,01,609 active cases and they are all under medical supervision either at hospital COVID centers or home isolation, the ministry said. There are 2,51,861 more recovered cases than active cases, it said. Infertility rates had dropped to 2.64% owing to the increased stress on clinical management of critical cases, the ministry said. AIIMS Delhi continues to hold dedicated COVID hospital DCGS through the COVID-19 National Teleconsultation Center, it said. The states and the UTS have a fertility rate lower than the national average of 2.64%, including Ladakh and all. The fertility rate is 0% in Manipur, Nagaland, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, and Mizoram, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Sikkim. India saw yet another record single-day jump of 28,701 COVID-19 cases, pushing its tally to 8,78,254 on Monday, while the death toll climbed to 23,174 with 500 people succumbing to the infection, according to the Union Health Ministry data. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR, 1 million samples had been tested for COVID-19 till July 12. Of those, 2,19,103 samples were tested on Sunday. The testing per million is continuously growing, was 8,555.25 as of Monday. The testing lab network in the country is further strengthened with 1,200 labs in the country, 852 labs in the government sector and 348 labs in the private sector. Thank you.